So I'm just trying to play MM2, and there's just people getting roasted. This Blake person is like going too far. He said, "Don't get me started when you said when I was your brother when we went online. You're like not bruh." Okay, whatever. But what else? So what else? Okay, bro, you're 8. Don't ask me for Robux. Yeah, because what? Didn't you lie about stabbing yourself? Didn't you lie about having cancer? I don't want to waste $3,500. What $3,500? You broke, bro. You're 8. What's your real eyes and actually shut up, Mr. I wish I had Robux. He just said make me. Bro, I wasted half. Wait, bro, I wasted half of my kidney on you buying. I wasted half of my kidney buying you Robux. Go and make that call and make a wish. I'm gonna send this to you guys. This is so funny. What else do you want? I want my money next. Bye you forever. This is crazy. Ooh. Yeah, but you're getting reported. This is funnier. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. What even happened? No. Okay, well, I think that's it. I think they left. I'll send anything if they, like, send more, but, like, yeah, I don't think, did they leave? Oh, they both left. Okay, wait. Oh, he said, hold on, wait, did he leave? Wait, I think they left. Let me check. Wait, no. No, Blake's still here. Wait, okay. Oh, yeah, he's right here, look. See? Look, see, he's rich, though. We're... Actually, I left to unfriend him. Oop. Unfriendly. But yeah, that's it. That's crazy. I'll send screenshots if anything else happens, but that's it.